Welcome all my YouTube friends. I am Precious and I am back with a jump rope workout video. So today what we're going to be doing is a 10-minute basic. This is the basic jump rope routine that I do to get started, and we're going to build on this. So this is the basis for it, okay? Today is our day one. We're going to do this challenge every day for 2 weeks so that we can move up to the next challenge. This is the very easy and basics of jumping rope. So since I was out here at the park, I decided to put it out. So I think this should be fun. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bells. Those of you who have seen me before, welcome back, y'all. Let's have some fun. Let's jump. Let's enjoy ourselves. Please remember, this is not a race. Do this at your own pace. So let's get started. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do for our workout. We're gonna start off with doing 1 full minute of jumping. Jump at your own pace. We're gonna rest for a full 30 seconds. We're gonna come back. We're gonna go into a transition workout, into jumping for another 1 minute. We're gonna take another 30 seconds, and we're gonna do that for 5 sessions. The last session, we are not gonna do a transition workout. You're going to go straight into a full minute of jumping as fast as you can. It's going to be a minute and a half of your fastest jumping. And if you don't understand, bear with me. I'll put it on the screen as we go along so that you can follow. This is going to be a workout. This is only the beginning, y'all. This is the basics. Let's get started. I do want to include that I am working on slimming my waist, so I do have a waist trainer on under my shirt, as well as Reynolds wrap so that I can perspire and get as much of the workout as I can. Breathe, slow down your heart rate, calm yourself, inhale, exhale, breathe. This is your transition. Make sure your movements are crisp and precise. Turn your top torso all the way around. Make sure your movements are very controlled and strong. Let's get ready to jump. We're jumping for 1 minute at your own pace. Jump at your own pace. Let's go. Here I made sure I transition and I turn so that you can see that my body is going straight up and down, and I am not landing flat-footed. I'm landing on my toes, and I continue to jump. You are doing an amazing job. Continue to breathe. Calm your heart rate. Inhale, exhale, breathe. Let's get into these squats. Squat deep and make sure you control that squat. You should start to feel the work in your thighs right about now, y'all. Keep going. Okay, y'all, let's get ready to jump. Jump at your own pace, straight up and down, and you will start to notice that I do change my jump pattern a little bit, but I never lose the rhythm, and I am jumping at my own pace. Keep going. You are doing amazing. Take your time, breathe. Take a sip of water. Inhale, exhale, breathe. Let's go into our transition, y'all. Keep it slow and steady. We are not running a race here. Go at your own pace. Control your squats. You should be feeling the burn. Keep going. You're doing amazing. Okay, let's go. Let's get back into our jumps. 1 minute jump and go. Again, do not forget the transitions from the last jump where I change what I'm doing with my feet and legs. This will give you an extra workout. If you have not seen my last jump rope challenge or tip video, please go ahead and check those out and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. Let's keep jumping, y'all. You are almost there. You're doing an amazing job. Breathe. Inhale, exhale, slow your breathing. Breathe. Let's get into that transition. Notice that as I stretch my arms up, it goes back and behind my head for a full stretch, opening up my lungs, stretching back muscles, stressing that breastplate. We are continuing to work out. Now let's get ready to jump. You've made it. This is the last jump. Get ready for it. Take your last deep breaths. Breathe. Get ready. This is your last jump, y'all. Jump, power through, push as hard as you can. Don't stop. Don't worry about if you mess up. Restart and keep going. Power through, keep going. Okay, y'all, so that is it for this workout. If it was not challenging enough, I can't wait to see you back here for the next level up. I encourage you to do this every day for a full 2 weeks so that you can be ready for the intermediate level. That's right, we're going to be taking it up a notch, okay, in 2 weeks, okay? So get used to it, get comfortable with it. I know I am. I worked hard. I feel good. I feel like my lungs are open. I'm going to continue with my workout today. If you are new here, thank you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next great content, okay? So we're here for hair, fitness, fashion. We do it all here, okay? In the meantime, I will see you all in between time. Peace.